She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So the last video that I posted for you guys was a tutorial on how to do flat twist. And then someone had commented under that video wanting to know how to extend it. So how to add in braiding hair. So that is what I will show you guys in this video. Now, if you want a more detailed tutorial on how to do the flat twist, where to place your fingers and all of that, be sure to check out the last video I did. I'll try to link it right here for you guys to go check out, because this one is just going to be showing you how to basically extend it and how to add in the braiding hair. So I'm going to show you two different methods. The first method, I'm going to show you how to just add it in at the end, so you can just do the flat twist against the scalp and then extend it at the very end. And then the second one, I'll show you guys how to add in the hair as you are flat twisting it up against the scalp. So let's start here with the first one. I've done the flat twist all the way through. So what I'm going to do is grab a small section of the braiding hair. You want to make sure that it is not too big, because you do want it to be seamless. So you're going to grab a small section of the braiding hair and you're going to lay it up flat against the twist, with each strand matching. So one strand on one part of the hair and then the other strand on the other part of the hair. And make sure you're placing the braiding hair up close to the twist so it's not loose. So once you get it flat up against the strands of hair, you're just going to continue to twist as normal. And you're just going to continue to do this all throughout until you get to your desired length of the twist or your desired thickness. So you want to make sure that it doesn't start out thick and then just get skinny. So just watch it and place the strands as needed until you get to where you need to be. So that's basically it. I'm going to let you guys watch me finish it through, and then I'll show you guys next how I add in the braiding hair up against the scalp. Okay guys, so now we're going to get into the second method, and with this one I'm showing you guys how to add in the braiding hair as you're twisting up against the scalp. So I'm starting it out just as normal. With this method, it's pretty similar to a method I've shown you guys before in my how to do feed-in braids. And so if you've seen that video, then you will be familiar with this method. The only difference here is we're doing twists instead of doing braids. So again, starting out with sectioning out the front of the hair and starting my twist just as normal. And then I'm going to twist it against the scalp here a couple times before I add in the hair. This is your preference. You can decide on when you want to add in the hair, but you would want to at least twist it once before you add in the braiding hair. So just like you would do with feed-in braids, when you're adding in your braiding hair pieces, you want to start with smaller pieces that'll gradually get thicker. So what I do is I hold one end of the piece of braiding hair with my pinky finger, and then I'm going to put the other end in between my index finger and thumb that is holding the twist. So then I'm going to continue with the twist as normal. The only thing is I'm going to leave off that piece of hair that I'm holding with my pinky. So I'm not going to add that in quite yet, but I'm going to twist it just as normal. So then once I get to holding the twist back with my left hand, then I'm going to bring that strand that was left out back into my my index finger and my thumb, and then continue the twist as normal. And that's really it, but I'm going to show you guys a couple times on how I'm doing it here. So I'm going to hold one end of the braiding hair with my pinky, just to hold it in place. And then I'm going to put the other end in between my index finger and my thumb. And then I will continue with the twist as normal, leaving off the piece that I was holding with my pinky. That part's going to stay out. So then once I get to holding the twist back with my left hand, then I will add in that piece that was left out in between my middle finger and index finger to add it back into that twist. Now, if you're twisting the opposite way, and let's say you're holding it with your right hand, you're gonna do the same thing, just reverse it. So same exact steps, you're just gonna do it with the opposite hand. So I'm gonna show you guys this a couple times. This is really just repetitive, so I'm not going to keep explaining. I'll let you guys watch. And so once you get to the end, if your thickness and length of your twist is not where you want it, then you can still do the first method that I showed you guys, where you add the braiding hair at the end and just continue to where it continue until you get it to where you desire it to be. So I'll show you guys that, and that's really it for the video. Let you guys watch the rest of it, but I hope that this helps someone. I try to slow it down and show you guys different angles so you guys can actually see and get it. So again, hopefully that helps someone, but understand that it's not going to take as long as it shows in the video, because like I said, I just slowed it down for you guys just to understand what I was doing. But the process of doing this is not going to be as slow as it seems once you get the hang of it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you did learn from it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.